do have some more Chainsaw Man episode 2. Let's get it. So last episode, we were introduced to Denji. Saw how that man got his chainsaw powers. Oh? My boy's starving. Bro, this man done fell in love with her. I'm calling it. She reminds me of like a female Gojo. Wait, what? She's treating this man like a puppy. Instead of a Discord kitten, this man is a Discord dog. Man, poor Pochita. So I wonder if he can still like communicate with Pochita since they like merged. I like her. Her voice is like really soothing. Oh my god. It was love at first sight. Man, I hope my boy Denji finds some love though. He's lost in the sauce right now. Okay. It kind of reminds me of Tokyo Ghoul a little bit, with like Kaneki being like half ghoul, half human. Oh? Dude, this is adorable, but like, I don't know, I have trust issues. I feel like this is just too good to be true. Like, ain't no way she is this wholesome. I feel like she has a dark side. Damn, did she just getting straight to it though? Nah, bro, she gotta be playing this man. She's playing into it, because I feel like she's like trying to play this man so she can just use him and make him be a loyal dog. How old is Makima? Is she like the same age as Denji? But yeah, look, it's working though, because bro is just distracted by the lust. I hope he finds true love, man. Who the fuck is this dude? Aki. Bro got a little onion sprout. Damn. So yeah, this dude is a hard ass. Damn, bro, just giving him the cold shoulder. Damn. Bro, what is this? Like a gang initiation? Bro, really smoking that Denji pack. Why is he telling him to leave? But does this dude even know about him being like a half devil? He said, I'm just here for the pussy. Damn. But yeah, I would like assume in this line of work you would need some thick skin, because you probably see a bunch of fucked up shit. Damn, bro! In the nuts! Come on, Denji. Dude, bro! I know every man felt that. But yeah, I mean, I guess it is true that this is like the first time he's been treated like a normal person. But like, I just feel like it's fake. I just hope it's not a false promise, but Oh my god, he likes her too! He likes her too! I mean, it is the weakest point on a male. The big guy's testicles were attacked by the nut devil. Bro gonna get nicknamed the Nutcracker. So I guess it's like a, what's that term? Like a dysfunctional group? Is that the right term? Oh. So if there's been rumors about other ones, does that mean there's other people like Denji? So yeah, she's gotta be strong as fuck. So yeah, she's like a really nice person, but you definitely, I guess, don't want to get on her bad side, I'm assuming. But that makes me question, after she saved him, Aki, right? I wonder if she did the same shit she did to Denji. Oh my god. Dude, and then I love how they did the transition with Truck-kun, because it symbolizes Truck-kun crushing Aki's dreams of getting with the Makima. Bro living his best life. Dude, Aki's gonna get annoyed by this shit. Damn! Bro used the whole role? A fiend. Bro was a nicotine fiend. Oh my god. God damn. Oh shit. Oh yeah, plus like, you know, Pochita was like a kind devil. Especially to Denji. Bro taking titty mags as a souvenir. So like, I wonder if there is other devils that Denji could maybe like befriend, like Pochita. Because maybe this man could like bridge humans and devils. Which obviously I think there's a different level to different devils and stuff, but... He's after some revenge shit. God damn. But now it's in his grasps. Shit, maybe Makima just got like a devil kink. Maybe she's just into that shit. Oh, is this power? We saw her in the opening. She's a fiend. God damn. Oh my god. The titties put this man into a trance. Power kind of looks like Zero too, a little bit. Yeah, she's kind of cute. If she's hot, it's okay. It's about the looks, not the personality. Bruh. Damn, so power got that crackhead energy, bro. Oh shit. Yeah, I cannot lie. The only thing Power really got going for her right now is her looks. She's a little she's a little too way over the top for me, bro. Dingy is a degenerate just like your boy. I think a man can appreciate a good pair of titties. So me and my boy Dingy got something in common. But at the end of the day, I think every man just wants to find true love. But obviously, we just met Makima and we don't really know too much about her. But I don't know. Like, for me, I just have trust issues, bro. So, like, I feel like she could have, like, a dark side or something. I don't know, man. But at the end of the day, I really do hope my boy Dingy finds some true love. Because one of my favorite genres in anime is romance. So I am a romance anime connoisseur. So I hope my boy is able to find him some love. But yeah, I thought the openings were going to be different every episode, but it actually turns out it's the endings. So we'll watch that real quick and then we'll wrap up the video. But yeah, like, so far, I know a lot of people don't like it when I make comparisons to other shows, but like, it kind of reminds me of a bloodier JJK a tad bit. But yeah, I love the aesthetic of this show so far. Like, the music is really good. The OSTs are good. The characters are goofy. Hey, but this song's a bop, though. I kind of like the like art style of the ending. But yeah, Makima's bad as fuck. I cannot lie. In the comments down below, let me know who sings this song. Because I know they're going to have like TK. He's the guy that did the Tokyo Ghoul opening. They're going to have Eimer and like a bunch of other people and stuff. But yeah, that is episode 2, boys. Who do you guys think is the better waifu? Makima or Power? I think Power's energy, she has like a lot of crackhead energy, bro. I think she's a little too over the top for me. Makima, her voice is just so soothing. And she's just like, I don't know. I feel like she's the chick you want to wife up. However, I just don't know if she has a dark side or not. But first impressions, I think Makima is the best. Also, too, a lot of people were telling me that Makima got nerfed in a lot of places compared to the manga. Like, apparently in the manga, she got a fat ass and a big rack. But in the anime, they nerfed her. But she's still bad. She's still bad. She's mommy. But anyway, boys, this is going to wrap up today's Chainsaw Man reaction. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. But yeah, have a good day today, boys. And I'll see you guys in the next. Peace.